And that'll be the start of the second heat there. We've got Southern Discomfort, Horn Dog Janet up against the Super Smash Brollers. That's War Slammer.
Both jammers on. Horn Dog makes the first progress through that blue wall. War Slammer just being held up behind Brains. And Hillbilly, I believe it is, just holding them up at the back.
Horn Dog sneaking on the outside, picking up lead jammer.
War Slammer just being locked in place almost on the spot. Hillbilly picks up the clockwise block, just gets pushed by his own teammates back into War Slammer. Causes War Slammer to fall. That is the penalty description.
Those words out, Steph.
No pack called, Horn Dog out for 5. War Slammer still stuck on his initial pass, just trying to get through the inside. Star pass has been handed off to
Skateful star pass. As they have now completed their initial pass. Now with number 316, Skateful showing off and falling over.
They do say pride comes before the fall.
Showing off before looking good take.
Skateful now in on his first scoring pass to the Smash Brawlers. Horn Dog in on his third scoring pass.
Horn Dog picking up 5 there. Skateful breaking through for 4 points. Horn Dog unchallenged on that pass, picking up 5. Boss there, not quite taking a trip to the box. And now we have the new wheel border. Oh my god, Janet against Dirty Parry for the wheel. And I will remain impartial during this.
Dirty Parry makes his first move in, trying to get between Hugo Boss and Smack Bauer, putting two of the biggest blockers on the track right there, trying to squeeze between them.
Oh my god, picking up lead jammer. Dirty Parry is now sitting at the box. Oh my god, with the first 5-point pass. Facing a 3 Wirral Pack Animals.
Lots of passive offense there by New Wheel Order, just opening up and letting Oh my god do what he does best, which is find the gaps in the pack.
Dirty Parry now out of the box. Coming into space.
Smack Bauer picks up the elbows, reducing the New Wheel Order blocking line just significantly.
But I'm sure he's making the penalty box smell a bit nicer. Dirty Parry taking a hit from Alien Al there. Alien Al going to the box.
Alien Al picked up a low block for that joint move he did with Hugo Boss there to take down Dirty Parry.
Oh my god, another 4-point pass. Dirty Parry was just dodging to beat up and complete his initial pass.
Dungeon Giovanni just given the instruction of the Black Panther been told to remain on track because he was the only blocker for New Wheel Order at that point. Now he's sent to the box as Smack Bauer returns.
Oh my goodness, decided to play a bit of defense there and just completed his pass as the whistle blows.
David Murray, unable to get any points on the board there. He will not take the 6 on the table.
And we'll now see Liverpool men's roller derby versus Aire Force 1. That'll be Speedy Gonzalez. Gelling against on the outside. Of the Oblivious Pride. So glad I've got an experienced announcer helping me out today. Bear was rubbish yesterday.
Both jammers in, neither one can get an inch through this pack. Oblivious Pride is making the most ground though, just pushing that wall of black forward.
Just recycled back by Optical Zoom. Liverpool blockers dropping like flies here as Aire Force 1 jammer onto Oblivious Pride. Jarvis first scoring pass. Picks up 5 points. Speedy Gonzalez trying down the inside but not quite making it down and then getting smashed to the outside by the shoulder. Oblivious Prime picking up full 5 points. Speedy Gonzalez taking a few hard hits here.
Four points in that pass, and no pass, no penalty given. Speedy Gonzalez then stays down a bit. A bit of a shake and gets to his feet. He had picked up a cut though, so returns the track just to be second that he had cut track.
That'll be a power challenge to Aire Force 1. Already leading by 19 points to 0.
It's a very big hitting jam with Aire Force 1 taking the 6 league table points.
This will be the East Anglo Smacksons first outing against the Skateful Dead with the Terminator, jamming the Skateful and the Flash. Flash picking up the jammer with no possible penalty.
Terminator still being held up in the pack behind that wall of green as the Flash just takes a bump to the inside, going to be recycled.
The Flash recycled the pack on his first scoring pass.
And we are hemorrhaging players to the penalty box here.
One blocker each and one challenge. Terminator breaking free, coming on for his first scoring pass. The Flash quick on his heels.
So 2-on-2 in the pack as Terminator starts his scoring pass. The Flash on his second scoring pass now. Both are trying to make their way through. No pack is called. And we're going to see another pair of blockers heading to the penalty box.
The flash being taken up by Buckley and Malice there.
David has the star off his head. As the jam comes to an end, remember he's not going to pick up any points while he's got that star off his head.
We'll now see New World Order, Alien Al, jamming against Owl for the Super Smash Bros. And I can see the top of Don G's bottom.
Alien Al steps around the outside of his own wall. Owl knocked off by Don Ginge, just avoids the cut. Managed to keep that back foot down.
Alien Al taking lead jammer. Al sticking on the outside but caught in the foot by the New World Order wall. Alien Al picking up 5 points on his first scoring pass.
Owl is still trying to get through, gets knocked to the outside by Smack Bauer, who's going to roll him back 10 feet from the pack.
Bit of a jammer collision there, but still a full 5 points for Alien Al. Al still struggling on his initial pass. Alien Al going to the box for a back block there. Leaving. It'll be a jammer switcheroo, I believe.
Yeah, so we're going to get Owl coming back to try and find. It's not Owl, there's been a star pass. It's Skate Bliskin again, receiving that star pass. He's now jamming for the Smash Brawlers. Alien Al is back out now, finishing his short penalty time.
New World Order holding strong here. Alien Al waiting at the front as a fifth blocker, just in case. And the end of that jam, I mean, New World Order 10 points, 0 to the Smash Bros. Sorry, 14 to New World Order. That'll be the full 6 survivor points for everyone.
Up next, Southern Discomfort versus the Wirral Pack Animals. Dirty Parry in the white, lining up against Horn Dog in the black.
And I can't stop staring at those pants, Horn Dog.
Horn Dog managed to force his way through, pops out his lead jammer. Dirty Parry tries the outside, who's followed up with Blitzkrieg and Ilbury are both there to knock him to the outside and roll him back beyond the pivot line. Horn Dog now in on his first scoring pass.
Dirty Parry all the way back. Then forming an immovable wall of STRD blockers, which isn't letting Horn Dog past either.
Dirty Parry just being recycled once more back into turn one. Horn Dog has been left to work that 3 wall at the front on his own. Out of play is called. We're going to see an out of play penalty being called here.
It's a very methodical jamming from Horn Dog there. Gives another 5 point pass. Shoplifter goes to the box. Horn Dog skipping around the inside line for another 5 points.
Hillbilly just doing some offensive blocking there, helping Horn Dog get through.
And the jam ended. Southern Discomfort the clear winner. Now we're on Aire Force 1. That's up against Skateful Dead with Roller challenging Skateful. You see who that is for Aire Force 1, sir?
It's Ned, I believe.
Ned it is. Getting stuck in nicely there in the big shoulders. And ending with Chala. Nicely controlled there.
Ned already on his first scoring pass. Just getting strung up with the opposition jammer.
Ned benefiting from a bit of chaos there, picking up 5 points.
We did see a clockwise block in that melee, which looks like when Durbinator, Deadly Nedley now through second 5 points on the board. 3 on 3 in the pack though, as we finally get Rollerphobia finishes his initial pass for the Skateful Dead.
Ned picking up 2 points on that pass. And getting tangled up at the front there, but still completing his scoring pass. Closely followed by Rollerphobia and the Skateful Dead.
Ned picks up the cut track there, just stepping back the track a bit too quickly. So power jam to the Skateful Dead. Going to see 5 going up on the board. That's going to take them, if my maths is correct, to within 3 points at the moment, plus whatever of course Ned had in the bank before he got sent to the box.
With 10 seconds left. Scores are looking close. We'll wait for the update on that one, sir. Meanwhile, with the East Anglo Smacksons.
That one takes the win for the Skateful Dead. Aire Force 1 take a point for lead. Skateful Dead nip it by a point to take 5 points on the survival leaderboard.
We've now got the flash. Yeah, the flash for East Anglo Smacksons up against Al Kelly. The Liverpool men's roller.
Alchemy gets knocked back by Cupcake, who rolls him back to where he started from on the jam line. Starts his assault again. The flash has been held up behind Barrow-in-Furness.
Alchemy taking a beating while the flash breaks out the lead jammer.
2 blocker penalties for the Smacksons. Going to mean Liverpool's men's road derby have a bit of a blocker advantage here. Can they use this to get their jam out? And they do.
Completes his very physical initial pass. Meanwhile, the flash picking up 4 points. Alchemy sailing ground on the outside for that one. Scores coming down at 4 points. Alchemy stealing the inside line, overtaking the flash. However, this time he is up against a strong forward, and the flash with just 1 to beat takes the inside line. Picks up 4 points in the pass.
So The East Anglo Smacksons currently in the lead now, and that 5-point pass is going to push them further in with 15 seconds left. 8 points in the lead. They've already banked 1 point on the table for having lead. Looks like they're going to take 5 extra for the win.
Next up we'll see Al jamming the Super Smash Brollers against Dirty Parry for Wirral Pack Animals.
Smash Brawlers in the blue, of course, and Pack Animals in the white. Very slow start. Dirty Parry just pushing on the back and shoulders of War Slammer. Owl now making the moves to try and get through that front wall. Dirty Parry with a bit of a turn and a step over the apex for lead for the Pack Animals. That's a point in the bank.
Owl would want to beat in the front, does so, completes his initial pass. Dirty Parry now is coming out to score points. Just knocked out of the front there by the last Smash Brawler.
Skate Briskin just daring him to step back on track. Dirty Parry comes back on face to face against him and just takes a hit which knocks him out again.
He took that there. We've got a bit of a bromance going on in the back here as Owl completes his first scoring pass for 4 points.
Skate Briskin just got loaded into that clockwise.
And Dirty Parry taking advantage of both Smash Brawler blockers leaving the track to complete his pass for 4 points. Owl feeling the rapid shot with his shoulder.
Deep move now with the Jammer Star for the Pack Animals.
Deep boot making short work. Fast scoring pass picking up 4 points.
Owl waits and sees that out of play, allowed to step back on. Picks up the no pass, no penalty. But as we go in the last 5 seconds, Pack Animals pick up another 5 points in the pass.
Deep boot, the 5-point pass. And now we're going to see New Wheel Border against Southern Discomfort. We've got Omar Gerd jamming for NWO with Blitzkrieg jamming for Southern Discomfort. Again, remain impartial.
Hammerway Blitzkrieg jamming for Southern Discomfort against Omar Gerd for New Wheel Order. Both smashing their way through the pack. There's so much going on in there. There's people flying left, right and centre.
But Blitzkrieg getting that lead jammer.
Illbilly with the forearm.
Omar Gerd facing off against Boss Bear at the front. Who takes a trip to the box for an out of play penalty, while Blitzkrieg completes his first scoring pass for 4 points.
Boss Bear picks up
Oh my God, looking for some offensive alien out there. He takes a trip to the box, as does Omar Gerd, leaving a power jam for Blitzkrieg. That's a 2-woman. You got Boston Dodgy in the front there. Blitzkrieg wants to beat at the front. Does so, picking up 5 points. Donji taking a trip to the box also. Oh my god, back on track now. And beating Hortlock at the front to complete this scoring pass for 4 points. Blitzkrieg not quite completing that apex jump in time, yet still Southern Discomfort winning that jump, and the jammer point for 6 survival points. Next up we'll see the Skateful Dead with Booking and Malice jamming, the base Barrow-in-Furness and Liverpool. Booking and Malice quickly taking lead, Jammer. Barrow-in-Furness taking a spill at the back. Booking and Malice slicing through the inside for 5 points.
Barrow-in-Furness just being held up by that wall of rage, just bouncing around it, almost glued to him right now.
Skateful doing a good job of the defense in the front.
Barrow-in-Furness has to remove himself from the track as he uses the hard shell of his elbow pad. Retrieves it and returns the track to continue his initial pass, but once again getting bounced to the inside, this time by Thick and Ted. Barrow-in-Furness tries some jammer and jammer. Misses his contact though, and another 5 points has been signalled.
Malice picking his target nicely in the back there, but being sent to the box for a back block penalty.
Barrow-in-Furness still on his initial pass. Goes for the star pass is complete. That has been handed off.
Centurion jamming out for Liverpool. Powering through that wall. Just getting knocked off at the last moment. And at the end of that jam, the Skateful Dead stand on 20 points. Liverpool just picking up 4 in the last second. And for the last jam in this heat, we're going to see Aire Force 1 with Mr. T against the Flash for the East Anglo Smacksons.
Amber off the Flash, taking up the inside, Mr. T the outside. Just being knocked to the inside again. Deadly there, thinking he should be recycling. And in fact, he does get the cut, draws the cut on the Flash. Some power jam, Aire Force 1. On the initial pass, the lead is still open.
Mr. T completed that initial pass and gaining lead, Jammer. Just taking a spill, coming around the outside there, recycled to the back. The Flash now back on track.
Aire Force 1 just struggling against these East Anglo Smacksons blockers.
Oh, the Flash with a nice apex jump. Completes his initial pass. Coming round to score.
So the Flash, of course, can't pick up lead, but he was sent to the penalty box earlier in the jam. but he can still pick up the 5 points if he can get East Anglo Smacksons ahead.
Meanwhile, Mr. T picking up 5 points for Aire Force 1. And not quite making the apex jump. It's taken down from the air. Both jammers recycled to the back now. And at the end of that jam, Aire Force 1 taking the win. And that will be the end of Heat 2.